how to set up Claude Code in VS Code. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up and install Cloud to Visual Studio Code. Now, first thing you need to do is open up VS Code and then click on Extensions over in the left-hand side. You can then click on this search box and just search for the word Cloud and press Enter. Now click on this top one here, which is Cloud Code for VS. Make sure you've selected the correct one by Anthropic. You can then press the blue Install button and click on Trust and Install. Now over in the top right-hand side, click on this Cloud icon. And now what we need to do is link our Claude account. So you can just press the Claude AI subscription and go and press open. Now just bear in mind that in order to do this, you will need either a Max or a Pro subscription. Now once you've linked your account, you can go and click on Explorer over in the top left hand side, and you can just go and open up any of your project files. Now you can basically use this Claude Code to create code and also modify code as well. So for example, I could go and type create me a function to add two numbers together, and you can basically use the AI of Claude to help you with your coding in VS. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.